In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a super simple detox and fat burning smoothie that will increase your energy levels, fire up your metabolism, detox and cleanse your body of various toxins so that you can get on with your day while also providing excellent nutritional values to aid in weight loss and improve your immune system. I will explain the health benefits of having this super simple detox fat burning smoothie as part of a regular diet to have at least 1 to 2 times per week, and will explain how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling meal consists of only 6 simple ingredients that you will be able to find right around your home or in your local grocery store. These ingredients are 1 cup baby spinach, 1 cup lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 medium cucumber, 1 teaspoon of maca root powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 glass of water. So once you have all the contents gathered, place them in a blender and mix until you have a consistent texture. This simple and healthy detox smoothie is perfect to have before bedtime for eliminating harmful toxins from your body that could otherwise restrict your body from absorbing essential nutrients that are beneficial for weight loss and increased energy. This is a simple meal that won't take long to prepare, and you will be pleasantly surprised how good it will actually taste. That will get your morning off to a great start, satisfy your appetite, while leaving you feeling full and energised. If you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content, and as always, thanks for watching.